baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the kingdom. Welcome back to the castle. I'm up in the king's quarters once again. And today, as you see off in the description, I had to give y'all my review of the Cloud White Yeezy. It did come late, like 2 weeks late. And so I'm a few weeks late on it. On top of that, I actually forgot about the shoe, to be 100% honest with y'all. I just forgot to give y'all the review. I mean, I did the Citron. What's so crazy about it, the Cloud White was ordered before the Citron, but the Citron came before the Cloud White. So you guys got the review on that one. If you haven't checked it out, make sure that you check out the video. I'll put the card up there. And so you guys can check out my review and opinions on that one. But here's the Cloud White review, man. And to be honest with y'all, I was really hoping and wishing to get this one because this is the one that I wanted. From the first time I seen the Cloud White, I was like, hey, I love baby blue. It's one of my top 5 colors that I like. And granted, the V2 is coming out with, I don't know, an astronomical amount of different colorways for the same shoe, and it's kind of crazy. So it's like, at some point, you're just gonna stop. So why did the Citron come about? It is what it is. But to be honest with y'all, this is the one that I was looking for, the Cloud White, which is that baby blue colorway. So this is that V2 Cloud White. As you guys checking it out, like I say, I'm doing these for my records and stuff like that, just to let you guys know and giving you my opinion on it. And I'd like to know y'all opinion on it. Did you actually grab these? Is this a pass? Are you sick of the Yeezy, or is this one that you actually grab, or did you even grab the Citron? Y'all comment down below, let me know. But this one, definitely grab, definitely grab. Love the Cloud White. I just love that baby blue, and it's just, to me, it's a clean shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? You have that classic V2 stripe that's going off in there that you can kind of see through a little bit. You guys see that? And I mean, if you're into the V2s, they're here. You know what I'm saying? But for me, I like them. I'm actually into the V2s more than the V1s. So out of all the Yeezys, to be honest with y'all, this is one of my favorites. I just love the style of it. Now I love the comfortability. Is that even a word? Comfortability? It's a comfortable shoe and I like it. And it is kind of like walking on clouds. So if you guys have Yeezys, or if you have any of the Yeezys, then you know exactly what I mean. And so being that there's a cloud in that foam, it kind of goes hand in hand. Cloud White, walking on clouds. Hey, whatever. But this one doesn't have the hook, you know, the V2s don't. But when I tell you this is a comfortable shoe, for me, this is a hot shoe. Now with the other Yeezys that's coming out, I know there's a bunch of Yeezys that's been dropping, pretty much the same shoe but just different colorways. They're usually one solid color, and they do look a lot alike, like the Citron and the Lummark. I mean, it's basically the same daggone shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? With like that, like the Butters, they have the same boost bottom. It's just crazy how these shoes just look so much alike. I mean, even with Jordan, at least with Jordan, they're changing. I mean, the colorways are changing. And then you do have, at least in my opinion, I feel like the ones that do repeat in the same colorway are male and female. Like the Jordan 1 Blue Chill, but then you have the UNC, it's basically the same colorway, but the females had theirs, and there was only a female ran only. And then these are the males, but then the females was all patent leather, but then you had the males that was in leather. So at least the Jordan does kind of switch it up a bit. But the thing about Yeezys, you know, they're universal, so they're unisex. So it doesn't matter, women, men, children. It's a unisex shoe, and that's one thing that I can actually say I do like about Adidas and Yeezy. They do come out with unisex shoes. Because to be honest with y'all, some of these J's that come out for the women only, I feel like as a man, I feel like I wanted the shoe. For example, the Jordan 12 snakeskin, reptile, however you want to put it, that was a women's only shoe. I couldn't see that. I feel like a lot of dudes would have rocked that shoe. I definitely would have been. I wanted that shoe. It was a hot shoe. I liked it. The blue chill, but then we found out that that was women's exclusive only. The mushroom 4s recently, you know what I'm saying? I like that colorway. I feel like that should have been a male shoe, or generally, I don't know. So Jordan brand usually does not do a unisex shoe. I mean, I feel like we should. But the Yeezy, I keep saying that I'm not going to get any more Yeezys. But the Yeezys that are coming out next year or later, I think it's that black and red one, whatever. What the hell is it? Hey. I know I just interrupted your video, but hey, I gotta ask you. Have you heard about the giveaway that I'm doing? The 500 subscriber giveaway, where I'm giving away $50. Man, look, in the link below where it says show more, click on that. It's going to give you the whole direction, the whole schematics of what you need to do. But just in case you don't do that, hey, go to my IG, kings.23kicks, find the post about the giveaway, tag 3 people, share it, like the post, come back to that video. Well, not this video, but go back to the video about the subscriber giveaway. Let me know your IG that you did it, and that enters you in. But you got to make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and then like the video, share the video. All of that stuff helps you get in, helps you get entered. Hey, and if you already subscribed to the channel and you hit the notification bell, don't worry. You can still enter. Just go ahead and do it. Okay? Let me let you get back to the video. I'm about to find out. Hold on, y'all. Because I cannot remember what the hell is Yeezy. Yeezy something. Yeezy. The 350 Yeezy. Matter of fact, I'll put that up there. You know what I'm saying? That I actually like that shoe. I feel like that's a hot shoe. I like the fact that it has more than one color in it. I mean, that black and that red, that pops, bro. I mean, that pops. To me, I'm feeling that shoe. It really pops, and I really can't wait to grab that shoe. I mean, that's clean. I mean, yeah, I gotta put that up there. But you guys, to me, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about that one. I like it because it's definitely gonna be something different for Adidas brand. So definitely looking forward to that one, and maybe that'll be my last one. I don't know, but I definitely got to get that one. Hopefully I do, and if I can get that one in a reflective, oh man, that'll be great. Good one to add up into the collection. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the Yeezy Cloud Whites. And I'm pretty sure everyone has probably already seen reviews on it, but I'm just giving y'all guys my take on it. I was really feeling the shoe, really look forward to getting the shoe. Why it was on, I guess you can say, back order, I have no idea, but I ended up getting the Citrons first, and these were ordered first, and they just took forever to get here. And then I forgot, I thought I actually did a review on these, but I didn't. But I just wanted to give y'all my quick opinion on it. So if you guys grab these, let me know what you think about it. Comment down below, and just to give an update on the contest that I am doing, the 500 subscriber giveaway. If someone did comment on the video and said that they did not have an IG, so I gave them special instructions. in order to enter, because I don't want to exclude anybody. So if you've already been subscribed to my channel, you can definitely enter. Just follow the steps. I have no problem with doing that. I want everybody to do it. Like I said in the video, everybody's included. You're part of the 500 that we're going to reach. You know what I'm saying? You're part of the kingdom. And I cannot do this without y'all. So I greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in and supporting your boy and making the kingdom stronger. Share the channel. Share it. Get them to do it. Get them to subscribe. That's what we're trying to do. Grow the kingdom. All right? Oh, so you already know how I always end my video. To all my kings, stand up. Rule your kingdom. To all my queens, stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.